Hey guys, it's the Black Hiking Queen, and today I am hiking at Hot Springs National Park here in Hot Springs, Arkansas. I am about to do the Mountain Tower Trail right now. I am gonna see if I can get up there to the observation tower, and I'm gonna take y'all with me. There goes some of that hot water. Just standing right here, I can feel the heat from the water just radiating. So you know that water is gotta be super hot. So I have 0.1 miles left to go along this trail to get to the tower, which is where I'm trying to go right now. It's supposed to rain tomorrow, so I thought it'd be a good idea to hit this trail today since you do go up a little bit more. But I am almost there. And as y'all can see, I am sweating it up because the humidity right now is no joke. It is getting me. So apparently this used to be a wooden tower, and it burnt down sometime in 1888. No, sometime between 1885 and 1895, the wooden tower burned down, and then they rebuilt this one to replace it so that people can still get a nice view of the surrounding area. made it up here to the tower, and it is a little scary because it is very high up. Let's take a look at the view. If you want a really nice view of this whole area, I highly recommend you come look at this tower. So that wraps up this hike for today. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I will see y'all on the next hike.